Hi, Jared Carmen from Way Mornington Peninsula, and you are in the amazing Summerfields Estate, one of the best areas in all of Mornington, and you're at 19 Serenity Way in Mornington. This circular driveway is fantastic, attached to a 3-car garage. Everybody loves garage space, it's massive. And this home, speaking of massive, this is a massive family home with so much. It is a fun home, it's an amazing home. You need to see it, come and check it out. There is such an abundance of space in this home. It's almost hard to know which way to go when you come in because there is living spaces everywhere. There's like 5 living rooms. Down here you have a sunken lounge, which is just fantastic. So you've got a lot of really open space here in the sunken lounge. Everybody loves having a bar in their home, surely. I love having a bar in my house. Bars are cool and they're making a massive comeback. Everyone loves having a bar. But part of this whole area, you've also got what could be considered a billiard room or a kid's playroom, another area with timber floors. This goes outside, so it leads to the outside, so it is a perfect games room. It's a fantastic space. So this lounge could be considered the parents' area, and it's attached to this enormous main bedroom. Huge bedroom, really high ceilings, great proportions, and then you have an amazing walk-in robe and the fantastic ensuite bathroom. Part of the whole downstairs area is what could be a 5th bedroom, but at the moment it's an amazing home office. Timber floors, this is such a cool space to work from home. Into the kitchen, part of this amazing floor plan is the kitchen, right in the centre here. So great stone benchtops, really nice stainless steel appliances, an abundance of space. You have a walk-in pantry, fabulous, can fit a massive fridge. Attached to it is this nice dining area, informal dining area, quite nice to have everyone together. Then you've got another living area, so you've got this fantastic living space. So this is a really nice area, casual sit down, watch the TV. You've got a gas fireplace right here as well, and it all looks out the outdoor entertaining. As I said, this is such a fun home. There's like little adventure areas through the whole house. And how's this little cosy, cubby little area that you can kind of get under the stairs and hide away and just read a book. Upstairs, there's even more living space. This is such an amazing home. There's a great living area up here. So for the children, with all 3 bedrooms up top here, they have their own living space. So they can get away from the folks again and just relax up here. Nice TV area. You've got a beautiful outlook here as well, over towards the Briars. It's just gorgeous. It's a really lovely space. Attached to the living area upstairs are 3 abundant bedrooms. They're of great proportions, all with built-in robes and nice high ceilings. There is also a large family bathroom, complete with spa bath. And then off the living spaces, you have this enormous outdoor entertaining area, fully undercover, nice decking, and then you've got even more undercover over here. So you've got a nice kind of tiki hut, I guess you could say, but it's not a tiki hut. But another patio area, so this is fantastic. You can barbecue out here, you can entertain with your friends. There's so much space. Kids can run amok out here. You've got enough room behind the garage to bring in a trailer or a boat. You've got a great shed here as well. So there's storage options galore. There's living options galore. It is an amazing family home. So if you're looking for the perfect family property in an amazing location, so close to schools, get to Main Street easily and get to beaches really quickly, this is the property for you. So if you're looking for that, please give myself and my team a call and let's get you into your new home.